With graduation right around the corner, college students everywhere are looking for the perfect accessory to go with their gown. Well, look no further than styling that grad cap, and you can do it yourself. City College Student Affairs intern Elda Padilla says decorating a graduation cap is more than personalizing a tradition.
What makes grad cap decorating so fun is the relaxing nature to it, because you're just like in the zone once you get a hang of it, and you have your vision of what you want to put on your cap, whether it's dedicating it to your parents. I see that a lot, thank you mom and dad, or just congratulating yourself, patting yourself on the back.
And you can make your cap look like $1,000,000 without spending a fortune.
You can basically use paper, markers, pencil, anything that you have in the house. So this here is just a red piece of paper, and then this was gold paper, wrapping paper that we had left over in the office.
Ready to give your grad cap some flair? Head to the dollar store to pick up supplies like glue, markers, glittery stickers and pens, flowers, and rhinestones. Another insider tip: decorate a cap topper to attach to your cap. It's much easier to decorate. And of course, City College provides free caps and gowns to graduates. Students will be able to show off those caps at a drive-through celebration May 21st or walking down the virtual aisle May 28th. Well, congratulations to the class of 2021. I'm Ayo Elise for CTTV.